You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that is confusing indeed. It confuses a lot of people. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. More pronunciations coming up at the end of this video for you. Enabling. That's your pronunciation. Many say it as enabling, which is also fine, but the most correct academic pronunciation in English, how to pronounce it correctly, enabling, enabling, enabling. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.